For today's video, it's our first time vlogging in this world. Yay! And then guys, the camera woman is my twin.
Hindi na dyan ka magpakita.
So we are Bisaya and Filipino and English era. So here we are first time vlogging. So it's time to harvest. So this for today's vlog is house tour. Yay! So guys, we're at Mary. So pagani atong So this is the garage once. Guys, di niya guys ma-speak yung Tagalog kasi di niya tayo So guys, ito yung labas namin. Dito, merong tambayan. Tambayan kung gusto mo tambayan kung gusto mo tumambay, ganyan. Mga grass, something grass over here. Pag gusto mo naman mag-camping dito ka pwede or doon. Then our favorite is the plants.
Yeah.
Guys, we are so many plants here.
It's pretty hot actually.
Yeah.
Hanggang dulo yan guys. Hanggang dulo.
And then dito, yung favorite part namin sa labas is yung pwede ka dito celebrate ng birthday mo. This is the garage. Dito pwede ka rin mag-celebrate ng graduation. And then dito nakapark yung favorite naming car. And then dito pa yung isa. Mas favorite din namin ito pero parang hindi ka namin ito nagagamit. Right? We're not using this red. Right? And so, yun siya. And then this is our motor, right? Di ba ganihan na kita ang katong number sa car?
I-edit ang nako ihawa.
Itakpan ha.
Gani edit nako.
And then guys, dito guys, mayroon kami PlayStation ng mga boys.
Pwede man girls.
Okay. So for today's guys, hindi muna tayo papasok sa loob kasi bigla kami bumili na ito. Yan is our rest time and then sorry kung ipakita sa ko. Sorry kung hindi na kami nag-charge. I'm charging guys and then so wala kami magagawa and then pinauna muna namin guys kasi mag-close yung pinturan kasi maingay huwag sasarado. So ito yung bagong flavor. This is favorite ko to na flavor na guys, pabayaan nyo yun. Mabanta pa rin na. So, this is ako because punta kayo dito sa Jensen. What is this Jensen?
Jensen is a place where people get to enjoy stuff and yeah.
And then punta kayo dito sa Smile Alabel.
Yep.
Maraming pwede kayong puntahan dito. Spring, Abyss Resort, dagat. Pero guys, huwag na kayo magdadagat kasi pwede kayong kagatin ng buhaya dun sa dagat.
Armadillo, crocodilo. I'm joking. Go.
Renote? Wow! So guys, babalikan ko na lang kayo later. And bye! So, nandito tayo sa living room. And then stairs. Ito ang
Sorry guys, nakaubo.
room at Ginaline.
Yes!
And then,
Teddy bear.
dito, sorry kung magulo, ha? And dito is, pag na ay visitors, dito sila kakain. Yan, may kitchen.
Tapos ang sink.
So, kanya ang excited part.
Excited part.
Yes! Ay, ako na yung ating.
Ay, shorts. Makita mo ko sa camera. Tuloy. Ay,
Very cool. Ay,
pakilom tayo.
Excelsior! Mary! Nakita na sa vlog. So, guys, let's close the door. Off the light and then bar area, right?
Yup.
Then here,
No, bawal bata. Sorry.
and then here is akyat lang kayo dito.
Ang ganda sa view. Ay, shorts. Kita si Mary.
Sorry guys kung magulo. So, sa CR sa ito.
Sa CR sa store.
So,
No. Okay, fine.
yes, uy, pwede na. Na-glass.
This is my tablet, guys. I hope you like it. Isa. Ay. Guys.
Ginny. So, guys,
My table.
hey, ikaw sa mag-tour sa ano ha? Pag English lang kay dili sila kasabot.
Okay.
Wait lang guys, ay pumunta lang ako.
So, okay. So, I will be the one giving you room tour sa I just edit this out.
Here's our second TV. Living room again. And then here is another bedroom.
That's where I used to sleep, right there.
And guys, delikado dito kasi.
Guys, did you know that
That's
that mirror almost fell on top of me? I was right here and then the mirror fell. Hey, where are you leaving me? I'm not coming.
And so, and there's
Yes. Okay, Queen.
So here,
okay, no.
okay.
What the Sigma?
Okay, sorry kung makalat kasi hindi pa kami nagkakalinis.
Murag nice sulod ng unggoy. Dali.
So, here's our house tour, guys.
Bye, guys.